Silverado 1500 boasts a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, 5.3 liters Ecotec 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, includes aluminum block construction, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds-to-foot of torque, 518 Newton-meters, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, more than 300 pounds-to-foot of torque from 2,000 to 5,600 revolutions per minute. Windows, power front and rear with driver express up and down and express down on all other windows. Wheelhouse liners, rear, requires crew cab or double cab model. This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 comes equipped with these options: visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking, transfer case, electronic auto-track with rotary dial control, included with 4WD models only. Tire pressure monitoring system, does not apply to spare tire. Tire carrier lock, keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door. Tailgate, easy lift and lower, tailgate and bed rail protection cap, top, steering, electric power steering, EPS, assist, rack and pinion, steering wheel, leather wrapped with audio and cruise controls, steering wheel audio controls. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a reliable Silverado 1500 today.